a consistent result. It makes baking something like unpredictable in the past now becomes something that you know what you're going to get.
You can just leave it and you do the recipe, you fill it with the ingredients and you shut the lid and you put the time and it just cooks.
It is really consistent in its bakes and you know that you're going to get a good bake every single time.
It's just generally more reliable. I can have a dessert going in the cake factory while I'm cooking dinner.
Baking now feels like a normal part of the tea time routine. It isn't something that I have to psych myself up for or get organised and plan and prepare. I can just roll out a set of lemon drizzle muffins without a great deal of thought and preparation at all.